Ibun Jasa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Manin Julius Kambaga Nyerere. I'm the first president of Tanzania. My slogan is Ujamaa na Kujitegemea. My name is Ali Hassan Mwinyi. I'm the second president of Tanzania. My slogan is Ruksa. My name is Benjamin Mkapa. I am the third president of Tanzania, and my slogan is Walinawaz. My name is Jakaya Shakwete. I'm a father of Tanzania, and my slogan is Arimpya Guvumpya Kasi. My name is Dr. John Magufuli. I'm the fifth president of Tanzania, and my slogan is Abakazi 2. My name is Samia Suluhu Hassan. I'm the sixth president of Tanzania. My slogan is Kazi na Utu. Thank you for listening.
Tutafuta watu wa makamu kidogo. Hivi navutika sana na wewe kwa sababu kidogo chumvi, au sio? Slogan ipi kati ya hizi 6 ambazo wewe umeipenda zaidi kuliko zote? Hapa kazi mpya ndio umeipenda zaidi?
Ito. Hapa kazi tu.
Hapa kazi eh? Makofi kwa bibi. Yeye anasema hapa kazi. Na kweli Bunjazari hapa ni kazi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In pre-unity class, we are here at Ibun Jazar to fight for our future. My name is Naisam. After finish my studies, my future is to be a farmer. I want to grow maize and beans and cassava. After finish my study, my future is to be a cook. I want to cook sambusa and kachori and pilau. After finishing my study, my future is a doctor. I want to take sick people. My name is Mbarak. After finish my study, my future is to be a soldier. I want to defend my nation. Attention. About time. Thank you. My name is Islam. After finish my study, my future is to be a teacher. I want to teach students like Madam Mintun and like Madam Fahima. Good morning, children. jump, sleep, wake up. Count naman up to 10. Goodbye, children.